In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your leverage settings using your Deriv account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Now, from the dashboard, I want you to go on the My Trading Accounts. You can choose from a real account or a demo account. Scroll down until you find the option that says Add More Accounts. Now you need to select a trading account. Let's say I am going to choose MT5 Crypto. Now before we continue, it's important to understand what leverage actually does. Higher leverage allows you to open larger trades using smaller capital. For example, you have 1:50, 1:100, 1:500. In our case, 1:1000. So make sure you choose the leverage setting that matches your risk management. However, keep in mind that some leverage options may not be available depending on your country or region, because certain assets have fixed leverage limits and the open positions may affect your ability to change the leverage. If the option is unavailable for you to change the leverage, the thing is, it's not available in your region or country, or your account has not been fully verified. How would you know if your account is fully verified? Go to your profile icon, go to the settings, and you'll notice that my account needs to be verified so I can use the option to change the leverage. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to change the leverage on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.